Hello and welcome to this video. Today we're going to look into our reusable components. In this case we're going to look into a reusable box component in React. So we're going to move boilerplate, which is HTML and some CSS, into a reusable component which can be reused within the whole application. So in this case, if you look at this example here, you can see there's a lot of boilerplate that you need to remember that exists. So for instance, the box, and it has a box title, it has a box subtitle, it has a box content and so on. What we're going to do essentially is we're going to remove this into a component and make it easier for the other developers that you're working with to reuse it. So the first thing we want to do is we want to create a box component here. So just call it box.js, and we're going to create a function like this, and we're going to take in three stuff. So it would be children, it would be the title, and it would be the subtitle. And in this case then we want to reuse the exact same markup that we had before, but we're going to present it in this way. This means that the only thing we need to know is that we should pass in the children, the title, and the subtitle to this component in order for it to be presented in this way. So if we would now import the box component within the app this way, and we can import it. I'm using Google Copilot for this, so it usually helps me a lot with this. So we're going to replace it in this way, subtitle, my subtitle, and then we're going to pass in the children here. So whatever we want, we could pass in images, it could be anything else really. So just by the look of this, it seems like there's not a lot of gain from it, but I could just tell you for a fact that the gain of actually creating a component in this way is so much greater, because the other developers that you work with most likely won't have to remember all of the different CSS classes that you have. Instead, they can go into the box component and see what properties can we send into the box component and how are they being presented in this way, and we can navigate back from here. And this could then also be documented within, for instance, Storybook, to make it even easier for it to be reusable amongst different teams. And thanks for watching, guys. This is the video about a reusable box component in React. I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe and like. All the best.